Immerse yourself in pure bass, enjoy 40 hours of battery life, be comfortable and portable, and own it right away.
She said, it's just a little too late, a little too wrong, and I can't wait. But you know all the right things to say. You know it's just a little too late. You say you dream of my face, but you don't like me, you just like a jet.
What if I told you you can turn any product URL into a viral, high-converting video ad in just one click? No editing skills, no script writing, no complicated setup. In today's video, I'll be using URL to video to take a real product and turn it into a complete ad, including AI-generated script, voiceover, and even digital human visuals. But here's the interesting part. Instead of creating everything from scratch, I'll show you how to take a proven ad from the ad library, replicate its structure, and apply it to a completely different product. So if you're an e-commerce seller or a digital marketer looking to create high-performing ads faster, this is going to be really useful. Let's get started. So once you log in, this is the dashboard of URL to video. On the left side, you get access to all the main tools. You can create product videos, generate avatar videos, and even clone existing ads. There's also an ad library where you can explore proven ad creatives, which is really useful if you want to replicate what's already working. And the best part is, everything is organized in one place, so you can quickly switch between creating, cloning, and analyzing ads without any confusion. So first, I'm going to pick a random product from Amazon. In this case, I'm using these wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now, I'll just copy the product link. And now, I'm inside URL to video. I'll paste the product URL here. And with just one click, the AI starts generating a complete video ad. As you can see, it automatically pulls all the product images and content. So you don't have to manually upload anything. Everything is done for you. Now, I can simply add a quick prompt to guide the style of the ad. For example, I want a high-converting ad focusing on sound quality, battery life, and lifestyle usage. You can also adjust things like duration, aspect ratio, and language, depending on where you want to use the ad. Once everything is set, I just click Generate, and the AI starts creating the entire ad, including visuals, structure, and storytelling.
Immerse yourself in pure bass, enjoy 40 hours of battery life, be comfortable and portable, and own it right away.
Now, it's automatically generating the storyboard and scenes. This usually takes just a few seconds. And here's the final result. As you can see, we now have a complete, ready-to-use video ad created entirely by AI. And the best part is, I didn't create anything manually. The AI handled everything. Now, instead of creating everything from scratch, I'm going to use the ad library. Here, you can see a bunch of already working ad creatives, so you can easily pick a style that's proven to perform. I'll just select one of these ads. And now, instead of recreating it manually, I can simply clone this ad structure. This is really powerful because you're not guessing what works. You're using something that's already proven. Now I'll just paste my product link here. And as you can see, I don't even need to upload anything. The system automatically adapts everything for my product. I can also add a quick prompt to guide the style, like focusing on sound quality, comfort, and lifestyle usage. Once that's done, I just click Generate. And now the AI is taking that winning ad structure and recreating it specifically for my product. And here's the final result.
She said, it's just a little too late, a little too wrong, and I can't wait. But you know all the right things to say. You know it's just a little too late. You say you dream of my face, but you don't like me, you just like a jet. To be
A completely new ad, but based on a proven structure. This is exactly what makes it so useful for e-commerce sellers and digital marketers, because you can quickly test winning creatives without starting from scratch. So now we're inside the AI avatar section. Here you can see a full library of different avatars that you can use for your videos. You can easily browse through them. And there are also filters available like gender and ethnicity, so you can quickly find the perfect avatar for your content. Just select any avatar you like, preview it, and then click on Generate Video with this avatar. After that, you simply need to add your script on the right side, whatever you want the avatar to say. You can also choose different AI voices from here. There are multiple voice options available, so you can pick the one that fits your style. Once everything is ready, just click on Generate and the AI will start creating your video. As you can see, the process is super fast and fully automated. You don't need to record anything yourself. And once it's done, you can check your final result inside the project section.
Hello guys, in today's video, we're exploring a powerful AI feature that helps you create content effortlessly. From generating videos to using AI avatars and voices.
This is perfect if you want to create professional videos using AI avatars in just a few minutes. Now this is the AI voice feature. Here, you can create voiceovers without recording anything. You can choose an AI voice, clone your own voice, or upload audio. Just add your text, select language, and click Generate. The AI will create a natural voice for your video in seconds. So yeah, that's how you can turn any product link into a complete video ad and even replicate winning ad structures using URL to video. Honestly, this can save a lot of time if you're creating ads regularly or testing different products. If you want to try it yourself, I've added the link in the description. You can check it out from there. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.